Hello again from Årsta Havsbad. And after chilling here on the beach for around 4 hours and taking also a swim in between, I decided to film the last swim for today. I have also changed spots, as this one over here is much more appealing, and I have been here a lot of times on this spot, and it's quite easier to swim out than if you jump, for example, from the platform, from the jetty. So it looks quite amazing indeed on this 15th of September 2024. It is 5:30 p.m. right now, exactly 4 hours since my previous episode that you have seen on my channel. My cube cross bike is waiting for me to start the engine and ride back home, but I will do that after this last swim for today, the third one and actually the second one that I am filming. So we are still at beach number 149, and I have been enjoying here on the beach, sunbathing, swimming obviously, and also doing some shorts with a bit of dancing from my end that you can see on my channel as well, and my other social media like TikTok and Instagram. It is right now 18 degrees Celsius in the air still, but it will get colder very quickly now after the sun sets, and in the sea it is still 17 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. So let's then get going and not spend much more time in chit-chatting, but get down to the real action. The jetty is completely empty right now, as I see, as it was throughout the whole day, with few people coming here and there, mostly that live here in the neighborhood, Årsta Havsbad, that has many people that have permanent residence here, but also people that live here only during summer. That over here, the green thing, is a changing room, as you can see, and the huge sandy beach is here as well. There are basically no people on the whole beach right now. There were a few more earlier today, but it looks quite stunning indeed, and perfect for a swim. So for me, actually, it took 32 kilometers with my bike one way to get here, but you can obviously come here by car or by public transport. The closest pendeltåg station, commuter train, is Haninge, so you can come there from the center of Stockholm, and then from there you can take the bus towards Årsta Havsbad. That goes quite frequently actually. And yes, 15th of September, we are in the middle of the month, and it feels quite amazing to still be able to visit the sea and enjoy here. So if you have noticed now, the sun is on its way down, so it is a bit different setting compared to the video that I shot earlier, but still it's the same temperature actually. So I have now the whole jetty for myself. There is even one other jetty on that side, but that one doesn't have any diving platform. And there is the boat that actually takes people from mainland here, Årsta Havsbad, to Utö. That is a quite large island that I have never been to, and I was planning to, but it never came through. So soon I definitely need to take that boat to Utö. And also interesting fact is that now from 15th of September it starts the off season with the boats here in Stockholm. So if you have like a monthly card, SL, for the public transport, for buses and metro, you can use also that for free on the boats that goes in the archipelago. So that's a fun fact, and that you can do between 15th of September until 15th of April. and after that it becomes the main season, where, or maybe it's 15th of May, maybe, yeah, 15th of, so it's only the high season between 15th of May and 15th of September, that you must pay extra for those boats to the archipelago. So yes, this is the jumping platform that I have jumped already 2 times today, and I am ready for the 3rd jump in the sea. Let's get going with the jump and swim here at Årsta Havsbad. It looks quite amazing here from here above. Ah, that's the Stockholm archipelago where the boat went to, and here we have very nice view over the beach, Årsta Havsbad in Haninge municipality. Alright, so let's get going before it starts to get colder, as I have 32 kilometers to cycle back home. On the way here it took me 1 hour and 9 minutes. Let's see if I'm gonna be faster on the way back, depending mostly on the wind. Alright, so beach adventures with Chris from Årsta Havsbad on this 15th of September with the 3rd dive for today in the Baltic Sea. Let's go! Amazing. So wonderful. What a wonderful feeling. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Perfect diving platform and a jetty here. And in the most beautiful nature here in Haninge. 17 degrees in the sea. I would say decent. And I feel so lucky that I was able to come here today and enjoy a full day out on the sea like it is high summer. Brilliant. Cool. Then let's wrap up. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Årsta Havsbad, the 2nd one for today. And I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!